Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to fix dried out acrylic colors. So let's start the video. As you can see, these paints are super dry. Let's start fixing them. For this, we need warm water, a spoon or stick to mix, and a bowl. Add 2 to 3 spoons of hot water into the paint bottles. Keep the bottles aside, and one by one mix them thoroughly with back of spoon or a stick. Now take a bowl, add water, and keep the paint bottles in the bowl dipped in water. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. Mix well again. Our acrylic paint are now good to use again. As you can see, all the paints are rehydrated and working so well. Wait, there's one bottle I couldn't fix. The paint of this bottle was very lumpy and dried out in small chunks. I tried so hard to mix it all, but I failed. So if your paints gets chunky too, then this hack might not work. Thanks for watching.